A potentially groundbreaking drug to help people suffering from Alzheimer's is on the horizon.
That's right, it is. I spoke with local experts to learn more about what the data shows and what it could mean for those who suffer from the disease.
There's new hope for 6 million Americans and their loved ones thanks to an experimental drug called lecanemab.
There's a lot of excitement about us being perhaps on the cusp of disease modification in Alzheimer's.
Nearly 1,800 people in the earliest stages of Alzheimer's took part in the phase 3 clinical trials at over 200 locations across the U.S. About half of the participants were given lecanemab, the other half a placebo. The results, researchers say, potentially a game changer. The drug slowed the progression of Alzheimer's by 27%.
I think patients and families would really appreciate that extra time.
The drug works by reducing amyloid levels in the brain, which is believed to be associated with Alzheimer's.
And there are more causes than just amyloid plaques. So anti-tau therapies, anti-inflammation therapies, so many other things have to be explored and will absolutely be required to be used together to really make a dent in this disease in the near future.
The FDA is expected to decide whether it will grant accelerated approval to the drug by early January.
And once we have the accelerated approval, immediately within days, we will file the Clarity AD data.
Experts emphasize that the experimental drug isn't a cure and that there can be serious side effects like brain bleeds. But overall, doctors say it's a step in the right direction.
Unfortunately, it's a long road. I would say that at least we have the possibility that this is the right road.
Officials are also seeking approval for the drug in Europe and Japan. We have a lot more information on the study on our website, abc27.com.